On first impressions, it receives a thumbs up. The ML feels 2 generations ahead of the dismal vehicle it replaces, even on our scarred and twistier roads. We can expect the same level of ride fineness and good damping control that we've come to expect. Along with the noise reduction, comfort, space, and well-kept exterior you'd expect from a Mercedes-Benz saloon. It doesn't feel as nimble as the X5, but it has chuckable neutral handling all the same. There is no third row of seats. Unlike the Volvo XC90, you'll need the G-Class for that. We've also left the tarmac this time, and while it's not Land Rover-standard off-road, it should enough for most purchasers. Because standard cars lack a low-ratio transmission, they rely on traction control, permanent four-wheel drive, and DSR, downhill speed regulator, to keep them moving in the mud. To summarize, the new M is a completely new automobile that is larger in every dimension than the previous model, and is now built on a monocoque. When it goes on sale next week, you'll be able to pick between 3 engines: a 3.5-liter V6, a 5.0-liter V8, and a 3.0-liter V6 turbo diesel, all of which come with a standard 7-speed automatic transmission. The 320 CDI is the way to go, with characteristic Mercedes-Benz diesel refinement and punch, as well as evident fuel economy benefits. Petrols are nearly as good, but other from a creamier sound. Under rapid acceleration, there's no reason to choose the V8 over the 6-cylinder.